Imagine a place where tulips bloom in a riot of colors, windmills stand tall against the sky, and the canals whisper stories of the past. This is not a figment of your imagination, but a real place nestled in the heart of Europe, a land that has been shaped and reshaped by the hands of time and human ingenuity. This is the Netherlands, a place where every corner is a testament to the harmony between man and nature, where the flat landscapes dotted with charming villages and vibrant cities stretch out to meet the horizon, where centuries-old windmills peacefully coexist with cutting-edge architecture, and where the past is not just remembered, but lived. In this land, tradition is not a thing of the past, but a way of life. Yet this is also a place where innovation is embraced, where the old and the new merge in a beautiful paradox. Welcome to the Netherlands, a beautiful paradox where tradition meets innovation. Breathe in the fresh air of the Dutch countryside where life moves at a slower pace. In this tranquil landscape, you'll find a world that seems untouched by the hands of time. Picture yourself strolling through sprawling, verdant farms, where the lush greenery stretches as far as the eye can see. Here, farming isn't just an occupation, it's a way of life, deeply rooted in the Dutch culture and tradition. Many of these farms still operate in the same sustainable ways they have for centuries, a testament to the country's commitment to preserving its natural beauty. As you traverse this serene landscape, you'll find yourself captivated by the sight of traditional Dutch windmills dotting the horizon. These aren't just picturesque structures, they are a symbol of Dutch resilience and innovation. For centuries they have been harnessing the power of the wind to grind grain, saw timber, and drain the lowlands, all in harmony with nature. Beyond the farms and windmills you'll stumble upon charming small towns, each with its unique character and allure. Nestled amidst the countryside, these towns offer a glimpse into the traditional Dutch way of life. From picturesque houses with gabled roofs to quaint bakeries serving freshly baked Dutch bread, from cobblestone streets to the friendly locals who greet you with a warm smile, it's like stepping back in time. The Dutch countryside also serves as a sanctuary for a variety of wildlife. The fields are alive with the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves in the wind, and the hum of insects. It's a symphony of natural sounds that soothes the soul and makes one feel at one with nature. But what truly sets the Dutch countryside apart is its tranquil atmosphere. It's a place where the hustle and bustle of city life feel miles away. It's a place where you can sit by a canal, watch the world go by, and lose track of time. It's a place that invites you to slow down, to breathe, to reflect. The Dutch countryside where peace and tranquility reign supreme. Step into the bustling heart of the Netherlands, where modernity and history blend seamlessly. Our journey takes us through the vibrant cities of this remarkable nation. First stop, Amsterdam. Known for its artistic heritage, elaborate canal system, and narrow houses, it's a city that pulses with creativity and charm. Here, the spirit of celebrated Dutch artists like Van Gogh and Rembrandt is still very much alive. Their masterpieces, proudly displayed in world-renowned museums, whisper tales of a bygone era, while contemporary street art speaks the language of the present. Next we find ourselves in the architectural marvel that is Rotterdam. Known for its bold, modern architecture, it stands as a testament to the innovative spirit of the Dutch. Here buildings twist and turn in fascinating ways, each one a testament to the city's resilience and forward-thinking mindset. Yet, even amidst this modernity, Rotterdam's history shines through in its historic docks, old warehouses transformed into chic dining spots, and its charming cobblestone streets. As we stroll through the cities, we are greeted by the melody of ringing bicycle bells, a testament to the country's love for two wheels. The locals, they say, learn to cycle before they can walk. This love for cycling, combined with the country's commitment to sustainability, makes bicycles the preferred mode of transport, lending a unique rhythm to the cityscape. But it's not just about the grand architecture or the vibrant art scene. It's about the people. The Dutch, with their warm smiles and welcoming nature, add to the city's charm. They bring life to the cafes that line the canals, fill the air with laughter in the city parks, and offer a friendly nod to visitors exploring their city. From the narrow alleyways of Amsterdam, adorned with colorful flowers and artistic graffiti, to the innovative skyline of Rotterdam, the Netherlands' urban charm is a captivating blend of the old and the new. It's a place where tradition meets innovation, where every brick tells a story, and where the future is built with respect for the past. The Dutch cities, where every street corner holds a new surprise. Savor the flavors of the Netherlands, a gastronomic journey that will delight your taste buds. Let's embark on a culinary exploration of Dutch cuisine, a delightful blend of simplicity and heartiness that reflects the country's rich history and cultural diversity. The first stop on our gastronomic journey brings us to stroopwafels. These delicious treats are a staple in the Dutch diet. Imagine two thin, crispy waffles sandwiching a sweet and sticky syrup. It's a sweet symphony of flavors that is best enjoyed with a hot cup of coffee, allowing the heat to soften the syrup into a gooey delight. Next, we turn our attention to bitterballen, the king of Dutch snack food. These deep-fried, crispy balls are filled with a savory ragout and are commonly served as a bar snack or appetizer. Each bite into a bitterball is a moment of crunchy, creamy joy that pairs perfectly with a cold Dutch beer. But what is Dutch cuisine without its world-renowned cheese? The Netherlands is the largest exporter of cheese in the world, with Gouda and Edam being the most famous. These cheeses, named after Dutch towns, are characterized by their smooth texture and rich, creamy flavor. Whether it's a slice on a sandwich or a chunk atop a cracker, Dutch cheese is a must-try for any food lover. And while we enjoy these Dutch delicacies, let's not forget the culture that surrounds them. The Dutch have a concept known as gezelligheid. It's a word that encompasses the heart of Dutch culture, representing a cozy, fun, and convivial atmosphere. Picture yourself in a Dutch cafe, enjoying a stroopwafel and a coffee, surrounded by laughter and good company. That's gezelligheid. It's not just about the food, but the experience of togetherness that comes with it. Dutch cuisine, a hearty celebration of simple, honest flavors. So come and taste the Netherlands. It's a journey of flavors that you will not forget. Experience the Dutch spirit, a unique blend of tolerance, pragmatism, and innovation. The Dutch are known for their open-mindedness, a characteristic deeply ingrained in their culture and society. It's a nation where diverse voices are heard and respected, contributing to a vibrant multicultural tapestry that's distinctly Dutch. This open-mindedness is mirrored in the Dutch's innovative approach to problem-solving. Faced by the ever-present threat of climate change, the Dutch have not simply sat back. Instead, they've pioneered innovative solutions that are not only practical, but also sustainable. They've transformed their cities into havens of greenery, with wind turbines and solar panels dotting the landscape, a testament to their commitment to a sustainable future. And who could forget the Dutch love for cycling? It's not merely a mode of transport, it's a way of life. Dutch cities are designed with cyclists in mind, with bike lanes crisscrossing through urban and rural landscapes alike. Cycling is more than just a hobby or a means of getting around. It's a symbol of the Dutch spirit, practical, healthy, and environmentally friendly. The Dutch also have a deep-seated love for outdoor activities. From sailing on the country's numerous waterways to hiking in its beautiful national parks, the Dutch are always on the go, making the most of the nature that surrounds them. It's a spirit of adventure and exploration that's hard to miss when you're in the Netherlands. But it's not just about what the Dutch do, it's about who they are. They're known for their directness and honesty, but also for their warm hospitality and inclusivity. They welcome everyone with open arms regardless of where they come from. This is the Dutch spirit, open, inclusive, and forward-thinking. The Dutch spirit, a testament to the power of resilience and innovation. It's a spirit that's seen the Netherlands through centuries of challenges and changes, and it's this spirit that continues to make the Netherlands a fascinating place to visit and explore. The Netherlands, a country where every moment tells a story, from the hidden gems tucked away in its quaint corners, to the tranquility of the Dutch countryside. Each experience is a thread woven into the grand tapestry of this vibrant land. The urban charm of bustling cities brimming with history and culture adds depth and color to this picture, while the delectable Dutch delicacies serve as the perfect garnish. And let's not forget the Dutch spirit, a unique blend of friendliness, innovation, and a love for the environment. It's a spirit that resonates in every canal, windmill, and tulip field, inviting you to be a part of its story. The Netherlands is not just a destination, it's a journey that takes you through a spectrum of experiences, each more captivating than the last. The Netherlands, a beautiful tapestry of experiences waiting to be discovered. Where will your Dutch adventure take you?